got a 525 J&M. We got a little bit of faded paint on this one. We do have a small 1000 PTO on this one. Regular unload. This is a nice little cart for guys. It's got 23 126 tires on it. I'll check the other side. They're probably half tread. We have a sharp and slightly jagged bottom auger. I think we have a top auger showing just a, it's not jagged, but I think it's showing just a little wear as well. It's a very straight cart, but the paint is slightly faded on it. I believe she's got same tread tires and everything on. It does have a light kit, original decals. What else say?